winter has come, and I give you tips how to prepare your vehicle for winter conditions like this. One of the most important parts for the winter preparation are tires. People are wrong when they thinking M+S tires is for winter. It's for all season, and they stopping working below +7 degrees. You must have a real winter tires M+S with a snow triangle. If you want to prevent your lock from freezing, you must using some synthetic loop for lock right here, and don't forget the latches. It's a latches. Don't forget about the latch. Be helpful. It will be helpful. It would be helpful. Helpful.
Help?
Help. Full. Okay. Helpful. Helpfully. Fully. It would be very helpful for open the car door in any conditions. Don't forget to put some silicone spray on the door rubber. Otherwise, the rubber will be stuck on the mat. You can use the worst silicone spray, or any other brands will be working fine too. Check my link below this video. What about any underneath coatings? You don't need this if you wash car often. And do some detailing, put the ceramic coating, wax, and that's it. Don't forget to check your battery if it's in good conditions. You don't want to stuck somewhere in the boot. Don't forget to check basic fluids. Brake fluid level you can see in reservoir where the logo Max, my name, right here. It must be everything top up. Don't forget to check coolant fluid. It's also, if you have a flashlight, you can just check it. It's F, it's mean full. Just top it up. Don't forget to winter washer fluid. You can check my link below this video for a winter washer fluid. Most important stuff, don't forget to check your engine oil level. It must be on the top mark, you see? I always put the full level. And don't forget, always keep your oil clean. That happens, and better to take care of yourself. Don't forget to prepare and have some warm gloves. Personal choice, warm gloves. TBC. They are waterproof, and also you can use your phone without removing the glove. Check my links below this video, and don't forget to order one before winter time. Be ready for snow in this glove. This gloves is unisex and also working in the temperature 15 below zero. Be ready for a winter. Check all my links below this video. See you next time.